Creality is pushing two big upgrades here, the CFS, or Creality Filament System, and active chamber heating. The CFS multimaterial system. In my testing, the CFS is a massive leap over older solutions. It supports up to 4 spools and features radio frequency identification for auto-identification of Creality filaments. I was halfway through a 14-hour multicolor print when the green spool ran out. The CFS automatically switched to the backup spool of the same material without me touching a button. It didn't skip a beat. That's the moment the K2 Plus earned its keep in my studio. Active chamber heating. Most enclosed printers just trap heat from the bed. The K2 Plus has a dedicated 60 degrees Celsius active heater. I tested this by printing a full-sized automotive intake manifold in ASA. In a room resting at 20 degrees Celsius, the chamber held a steady 59 degrees Celsius. The result? Zero corner lifting.